Hello, here is a helpful Canvas spring cleaning hack, or really for any time of the school year you want to do this. And this tip is to quickly delete messages out of your Canvas inbox, especially if they're from last semester, they've already been handled, and you don't really need to have them in here cluttering your workflow anymore. And this is also something that you can show students. So it does require pressing some different keyboard buttons and keyboard shortcuts at the same time. But I'm going to go to my Canvas inbox from my left-hand menu here. And when I'm here, I'll click the checkbox. So the slow way of doing this is you could go through and check every individual message and then click the trash can, but that's a lot of scrolling and clicking. So what I would do is scroll down to as far as you would like this to go. Like I have tons of messages here from people doing 12 days of tech, and I don't really need those anymore. And whenever I've gotten to a point to where I know all of the messages above that, I want to delete. What I'm going to do is hold the shift button on my computer. And while I'm holding the shift button, I'm not going to click this box, but I'm going to click right in the body of that message from that person in my inbox. And when I do, if you notice here, it selected all of the messages above it. And if I realize that I selected a message that I don't actually need to delete, actually you don't have to hold the shift button, but I will uncheck that box so it only deletes the ones that I want. So pretty cool. I can select all of those and delete en masse versus going through one by one. So I'll click delete, confirm, and now they're gone. So I don't have nearly as many messages here that I don't need. So if you have any questions, let me know.